Yeah, hi Lars, this is Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've got your laser, I've done the repair for you, and I'll just put that on for you, and then you can hear that coming out of the speakers. Um, yeah, I mean, it has had a lot of work. I can see that. I've cleaned all your cogs. I've not replaced any cogs because they don't seem loose enough to me. I've of course changed the laser. And you can see that's all working. I'm not sure whether that date's right, to be honest with you, but anyway, I'll put it on there. There you go. So yeah, all working as you can see. Goes up in the tracks. Let me move that up into a track. But yeah, there you go. That's going in the post to you today. Sorry for the delay, and thank you very much.